The following message is transmitted by the Bedford Police Department. There is an unknown figure that is spotted across the forest. We will try to search for him. Do not try to search the unknown figure. If you do, then you might get lost. Stay tuned for more details issuing this situation.
This is a civil danger warning. This is not a joke or a test. The unknown figure was a murder. His name is Headless Kaicey. He has a knife on his left hand and kills people. If you see him, call 911. If Headless Kaicey sees you, go to a shelter and lock all doors. If you do not have a shelter, go to a bathroom and lock all doors or windows. Stay tuned for more details issuing this situation. And for more information, visit www.fema.gov.